THDC India Limited recruitment for the post of junior engineer trainee in different disciplines, that is civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics engineering and information technology. Let's see official site of THDC, as this is the careers page of THDC Limited. This is the official site. It is a Miniratna PSU. In careers page for the post of junior engineer trainee, as you can see here, this is the link will be given in the description. So this is the advertisement number, and you can also apply here from this link. So this THDC is a Miniratna company, and the recruitment for different disciplines under two states, that is Uttarakhand and also Uttar Pradesh. So this is the state-wise discipline category. For Uttar Pradesh, for the streams of civil, electrical, mechanical, there are 30 vacancies for different categories as well. And for the state of Uttarakhand, the vacancies for all the streams, that is 35 vacancies, and in different disciplines, that is civil, electrical, electronics, information technology, mechanical engineering. So the exam there, the selection criteria will be based on only written test. So the age criteria is so these were the posts under different reserved vacancies identified for PWD category. Under different disciplines, there are 65 posts for PWD category, and the age criteria and discipline who are eligible. So the eligibility is for civil, mechanical, electrical, so 3 years full-time diploma or 2 years lateral entry from different boards, or with 65% marks, and there is no experience required, and the age limit is 27 years for unreserved category, and 30 years for OBC category, and 32 years for SC/ST. So this is the requisite education qualifications. And there is also some relaxation if reservation is applicable for the post in various vacancies. The selection criteria for this will be based on only a written test, that is 100% weightage will be written test. So it is based on the merit list. Whoever obtains a very good score or good marks in written test, they will be given the first priority depending upon the certificate verification as well. So the application fees is ₹600 for OBC categories, and for SC/ST application fees is nil, so there is no application fees. The test centers were, these are the test centers: Dehradun, Haldwani for Uttarakhand, and Lucknow, Varanasi, Noida, Jhansi, Kanpur, Aligarh for Uttar Pradesh domicile students. And candidates need to download their admit card through the portal, that is registration link. There will not be any admit card sent by post. So the compensation package for the one who is selected as a junior engineer will be rupees 29,200 to around 3%, that is 1,19,000 as a junior engineer trainee. So this is regarding the examination criteria, eligibility, and the details of the post of junior engineer trainee in THDC. So if you just click on apply online, you will be directed that page and you can apply online for this post. So this is what the interface looks like for apply online. Candidate login. You need to register with your email ID, and this is what the instructions are required. You need to click on agree terms and conditions, and to upload all the certificates, that is requisite certificate. This is what the interface which will look like, and this is how you need to apply. Remember, the thing is that employment registration is a must for this post, so you need to have registered for the Employment Exchange Board of Uttarakhand or Uttar Pradesh to apply for this post. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please do comment. Thank you. Have a great day.